In this video, we're diving into an important question for entrepreneurs. Which business banking partner actually offers more value? Piermont or Relay? What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions. So whether you're a startup founder juggling cash flow or a fast-growing business looking for a bank that can keep up, choosing the right financial partner matters. A business bank doesn't just hold your money. It affects how you pay vendors, access credit, earn interest on idle funds, and even how quickly you can scale. This comparison isn't about flashy marketing. It's about understanding how each bank works and then deciding which one fits your needs. So over the next few sections, we'll talk through what Piermont Bank and Relay are, how their accounts work, what fees and rates you can expect, and who each bank is best suited for. We'll keep it simple and focus on the facts so you can leave with a clear answer. But let's start by getting to know these two players, understanding the contenders. Piermont Bank at a glance. Piermont Bank is a New York-based FDIC-insured commercial bank founded in 2019. Positions itself as a bank built for innovation and prides itself on personalized, relationship-driven banking. The bank serves small and mid-market businesses, including real estate investors, venture-backed startups, private equity funds, and other high-growth companies. Their mission is to offer fast decision-making and customized solutions, and you see that focus in their lending pages, where they describe themselves as providing customized solutions that you need at the speed your business demands. Piermont offers a full suite of services: business banking, digital checking, savings, money market, and certificates of deposit. Their money market account tiers show that balances from $20,000 to $1 million earn 3.92% interest and 4% APY. High touch support. So they assign relationship managers and note that customers get deep industry expertise and responsive client care. Cash management tools. They provide remote deposit capture, ACH, merchant services, wire transfers, and positive pay. Advanced services. Piermont's API banking allows fintech companies to integrate banking directly into their platforms, and their fund banking offers capital call lines and subscription lines for private equity and venture funds. Most importantly, Piermont markets lending and capital as core competency. Their business lending page highlights that they support revenue-generating companies with more than $10 million in revenue or $2 million in EBITDA. They offer asset-based loans, term loans, revolving lines of credit, capital call lines, acquisition financing, and real estate loans. This lending firepower makes Piermont more than just a checking account. It's a financial partner for growth. Now, if you want to get started with Piermont or just check them out, we've got a link for you down in the description. All you need to do is click that link down below in the description and click here on Open Your Account Now. From here, it's just going to ask you a couple of questions just to get started, like your first name, last name, email address, and that'll get the application started. Again, just click the link down below in the description to get started with Piermont. Now, Relay, by contrast, is a fintech platform rather than a traditional bank. So Relay partners with Thread Bank, member FDIC, to offer insured business checking. It markets itself as simple business banking that puts you in control of your cash. Some key points about Relay. You get multiple checking accounts. Relay lets customers open up to 20 checking accounts to organize budgets and cash flow. This flexibility appeals to businesses using the Profit First system or envelope budgeting. Tiered plans. So Relay introduced tiered plans in 2025. They offer a free starter plan with essential features and a 1.03% APY, a growth plan at $30 per month offering more cash flow tools and 1.75% APY, and a scale plan at $90 per month with advanced features and 3.03% APY. Financial tools. Relay added receipt management, payment requests, faster and more affordable international wires, and even third-party check printing. Credit card. In 2025, Relay launched a Visa credit card with 1.5% cash back and up to 30 days of float. High FDIC insurance. Deposits are insured up to $3 million through Thread Bank, a level similar to Piermont's IntraFi program. Collaborative features. Relay's accounts allow multiple user access with up to 7 permission levels and integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Unlike Piermont, Relay does not offer traditional lending, like asset-based loans or term loans. However, it compensates by providing digital tools that simplify day-to-day cash management. Relay's free plan is attractive for sole proprietors and small teams that want to minimize fees. Now, if you want to get started with Relay, we've also got a link for you down in the description below. Just click on the link and it'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and click on Start Application. From here, it's just going to ask for some basic information to get started. First name, last name, work email, a password, your date of birth, as well as a phone number. Again, just click the link down in the description to get started with Relay. Comparing key account features, interest and deposit accounts. Piermont's high yield money market. For entrepreneurs with significant cash reserves, Piermont's money market account is a standout. Balances between $20,000 and $1 million earn 3.92% interest, or 4% APY. Smaller balances still earn 0.75% APY, and the account has a $25 monthly service fee that's waived if you keep a $1,000 monthly average balance. This combination, high yield and a modest balance requirement, is competitive with online banks, but adds the comfort of FDIC insurance and a full suite of services. Piermont also offers business checking, savings, and certificates of deposit. The details of those accounts are less public, but the bank emphasizes that you can open accounts entirely online, get multi-million-dollar FDIC coverage via IntraFi, and enjoy 24/7 mobile banking. Relay's tiered checking with APY. So Relay doesn't offer separate savings or money market accounts. Instead, it provides interest on checking balances. In early 2025, they introduced 3 plans. The starter plan is free and it earns 1.03% APY. The Grow plan at $30 per month, this includes extra cash flow tools plus 1.75% APY. The Scale plan, like we talked about, costs $90 per month with more advanced features like faster payments and additional automation and a 3.03% APY. Relay's APY tiers are lower than Piermont's money market rate for larger balances, but it may be sufficient for businesses that just keep modest checking balances. Importantly, there's no minimum balance requirement on the free plan, and you can earn interest automatically on the paid plans without meeting spending requirements. Cash flow organization. Piermont's cash management is built into its business banking suite. They offer remote deposit capture, ACH transfers, merchant services, wire transfers, and positive pay. These tools are standard for commercial banking, but require contacting your banker to set up. Piermont also mentions foreign exchange services and international wires, which is useful if you're paying overseas suppliers. Their emphasis on integration with accounting software like QuickBooks is notable, but specifics on the number of sub-accounts or automation features is limited. Relay is built around organizational flexibility and allows customers to create up to 20 checking accounts under one business entity, each with its own account and routing number. This structure supports the popular Profit First system, and it gives entrepreneurs a simple way to separate funds for taxes, payroll, inventory, or savings. Relay also integrates directly with QuickBooks and Xero, automatically syncing transactions. If your business relies on multiple sub-accounts to budget, then Relay provides more flexibility just out of the box. Piermont's strength is in offering a one-stop shop with more advanced cash management tools, but you may need to involve a relationship manager to set up extra accounts. Payments and invoicing. Piermont provides traditional payment methods, ACH, wire, and merchant services. Their website lists merchant services, remote deposit capture, and wire transfers among the cash management products. This is typical for a commercial bank, though Piermont doesn't publish fees details publicly. Relay integrates modern payment tools into its platforms. Relay added payment requests and local network international wires to help businesses collect money securely. They also let users write and print paper checks, something surprising for a digital bank. More importantly, you can manage bill pay and invoicing directly from your account. Relay's built-in bill pay allows you to schedule and track payments, and you can even create and send professional invoices. On Relay's pricing page, it mentions that international wire fees are $10 per transaction on the starter plan, and they're waived on the Grow plan. So if your business relies on frequent invoicing and you want to avoid separate bill pay software, then Relay offers a more integrated solution. Piermont's approach is more traditional and may require additional services for invoicing, debit, and credit cards. So Piermont issues standard business debit cards linked to its checking accounts and emphasizes enterprise-grade security and role-based permissions. They don't currently advertise a business credit card or rewards program. Now, Relay offers both debit and credit options. The business debit card is included with the checking account, and you can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards, which is useful if you have contractors or employees. In 2025, Relay launched a Visa credit card that provides 1.5% cash back on spending and offers up to 30 days of float before charges must be repaid. This credit card is integrated with your Relay account for streamlined expense tracking. The Relay debit card comes with Visa zero liability protection, and you can withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. And there are daily transaction and withdrawal limits, for example, $7,000 per card per day and a $1,000 ATM withdrawal. For entrepreneurs who value rewards or they need multiple spending cards, Relay's debit and credit card options may provide some more flexibility. Piermont's strength lies in enterprise-level security for larger teams with custom access controls. Financing and lending options. So one of the biggest differences between these two banking providers is access to credit and financing. Piermont's lending powerhouse. Piermont positions itself as a financing partner for growth companies. Their business lending page lists a range of options. Asset-based loans for fast growth or turnaround companies. Term loans for large inventory purchases, office spaces, or consolidating debt. Revolving lines of credit to manage cash flow. Capital call lines for private equity and venture capital firms. Acquisition financing for stable businesses looking to grow through mergers or purchases. Real estate loans, including owner-occupied commercial properties. Piermont also partners with other banks to participate in larger loans, offers bridge financing for short-term funding needs, and provides preferred equity investments. Piermont's inclusive lending practices help underserved businesses, and that the bank is known for their lending decisions. For businesses with revenue above $10 million or EBITDA above $2 million, Piermont can be a strategic financing partner. Now, for smaller businesses, this might be overkill, but if you plan to scale or you need capital for acquisitions, having a bank that understands complex lending is invaluable. Relay's capital options. So Relay currently does not offer traditional business loans or lines of credit. Its primary capital product is the Relay Visa credit card, which provides cashback rewards and up to 30 days of interest-free float. While this is handy for short-term purchases, it's not a replacement for a revolving line of credit or a term loan. For businesses that need working capital or financing, Relay's lack of lending products means that you need to seek credit elsewhere. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker for micro businesses or freelancers, but it's a significant distinction when comparing to Piermont. Pricing and fees. Entrepreneurs care about costs, so let's talk about fees and pricing. Piermont's pricing model. Piermont does not publish a fee schedule for all of its services, which can be a drawback for transparency. However, some fees are clear. The money market account, $25 monthly maintenance fee, which is waived with a $1,000 average balance. Withdrawal limits. Money market accounts are limited to 6 debit transactions per statement period. Opening balance. There's no minimum deposit required, but balances under $20,000 earn only 0.75% APY. Other fees. Piermont likely charges wire transfers and ACH fees, though these aren't published. Because of the high-touch nature of its services, you may also encounter underwriting or account management fees for lending products. Piermont does offer no monthly fees on the money market account if you keep that $1,000 balance, and there are no fees to open an account online. So overall, it's a good fit if you have enough cash to waive fees and you want access to high yields and lending. Relay's pricing model. Now, Relay is far more transparent with their fees, as we've gone over. Here's how it breaks down. Again, the starter plan, $0 monthly fee, no minimum balance. The grow plan is $30 per month, and the scale plan is $90 per month. Wire fees. International wires cost $10 on the starter plan, but are free on grow and scale. Other fees. Relay advertises that there are no minimum balance requirements and no account fees on the free plan. And there are unlimited free withdrawals at all point ATMs, though the ATM owner may charge a fee. Relay's transparent structure is appealing if you want to avoid surprise charges. The free plan is ideal for freelancers or small teams. Paid plans become worth it if you need same-day ACH, free wires, or higher interest. Security and compliance. Both Piermont and Relay are FDIC insured, but the coverage works slightly differently. Piermont is a chartered commercial bank. Standard deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor per ownership category. Piermont participates in IntraFi's insured cash sweep program, which means customers can obtain multi-million-dollar FDIC coverage by spreading funds across partner banks. So Relay partners with Thread Bank, member FDIC. So Relay offers up to $3 million in FDIC insurance, although through an insured sweep system. So both institutions stress security. Piermont Piermont highlights enterprise-grade security, multi-layered encryption, and role-based permissions. Relay notes that the Visa debit card comes with zero liability protection and that you can add multi-users with permissions. User experience and support. One of Piermont's biggest selling points is access to a dedicated relationship manager. Their business banking page promises expert guidance and priority support for strategic banking decisions. Customers are encouraged to talk with bankers to get customized solutions. Many entrepreneurs appreciate having a real person to call, especially when applying for loans or handling large transactions. The downside is that this level of service can mean more paperwork and slower setup for basic features. Relay is designed for self-service. You sign up online, open multiple checking accounts instantly, and manage everything through the website or mobile app. The mobile banking app has features like real-time alerts, check deposits, and fund transfers. You can also add team members with different permission levels, set up invoice automation, and connect to accounting software. Support's available via chat or email, but there's no dedicated personal banker. So if you're comfortable handling finances digitally and you prefer to avoid phone calls with bankers, Relay offers a streamlined experience. Now, Piermont is better suited if you want a hands-on partner who can advise you as your business grows. So who should choose Piermont? Piermont's best for businesses that need access to capital. If you anticipate needing a line of credit, term loans, or financing for acquisitions or real estate, Piermont's lending suite is unmatched. Having your deposit accounts and lending under the same roof can speed up approvals and provide better rates. It's good if you have substantial cash reserves. So businesses holding $20,000 or more will benefit from Piermont's 4% APY on money market deposits. The monthly fee is waived at a modest $1,000 balance. It's great if you value personal relationships. So if you want a banker that you can call for advice or get tailored solutions, Piermont's relationship-driven approach delivers. It's particularly useful for complex businesses with multiple entities or rapid growth plans. It's great if you operate in fintech or venture capital. Piermont's API banking and fund banking services are really geared towards companies integrating banking into their products or managing investor capital. Now, on the other hand, if you're a freelancer or small team with no plans for large financing, Piermont may be more bank than you need, and its lack of transparent fee schedules could be a bit of a drawback. Now, who should choose Relay? Relay is ideal for businesses that want a simple, no-fee checking solution. The free starter plan has no monthly fees and no minimum balance. If fees have been eating into your profits at other banks, Relay will feel like a breath of fresh air. It's great if you need multiple sub-accounts. If you follow the profit-first method or you just want to separate cash for taxes, payroll, or inventory, Relay's ability to create up to 20 accounts is extremely handy. You don't have to call a banker or pay extra fees. It's great if you prefer self-service digital tools. Relay offers built-in invoicing, bill pay, and receipt management. You can manage everything online, sync with QuickBooks or Xero, and access funds via the mobile app. It's great if you don't need traditional lending. So Relay's lack of business loans is a limitation. However, if you're funding your business through cash flow or personal resources, this may not matter. It's also great if you value straightforward pricing. With Relay, you know exactly what you'll pay. It's free for the starter plan, $30 or $90 per month for the more advanced plans, and published fees for wires. Relay's focus on small business simplicity and budgeting tools make it a strong choice for freelancers, consultants, creatives, and early-stage startups. It's not designed for complex financing, but it does what it claims very well. So both Piermont Bank and Relay bring something valuable to the table, but they solve different problems for different entrepreneurs. If your business is scaling quickly, plans to borrow money, or hold significant cash reserves, Piermont Bank offers a high-touch banking relationship, competitive money market rates, and a menu of financing options from lines of credit to real estate loans. It's really like having a partner who can grow with you and open doors when you need capital. The trade-off is that Piermont is more complex and may carry fees if you don't meet certain balances. If you're a solopreneur or a small business looking for a simple, low-cost way to manage money, then Relay really shines. It's a free plan, multiple checking accounts, and built-in bill pay and invoicing tools lets you stay organized without a banker's involvement. You get clarity on fees and can upgrade to higher yield plans as you grow. The downside is limited financing options. You'll need another lender when you want a loan. But ultimately, the best bank comes down to what stage your business is at and how you plan to use your accounts. So think of Piermont as a strategic partner for growth and Relay as a streamlined companion for simplicity. Both can help entrepreneurs succeed, but they cater to different paths. Choose the one that matches your ambition and watch your business thrive. Again, if you want to get started with either of these banks, we've got links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.